Yo, what's up guys, back with another video, and today I just wanted to show you guys how you can set up a very simple Claude project and use that to automatically generate a bunch of ideas for hooks, and a little bit more specifically VEO3 hooks that are kind of like a little bit more crazy or yeah, difficult to create using videos, and then also having it create any hook idea that you want into a JSON prompt that you can paste into any video gen or VEO3 directly platform. And yeah, first of all, I just want to give a shout out to Ollie Hudson. He shared this yeah, really good template of how you can actually generate JSON prompts for VEO3. So I definitely recommend you guys checking out this post right here and getting the resources. You just have to comment on the video and then he'll send them to you. So definitely check this out. But yeah, what you basically do is, oh, also just wanted to shout out this video from Mark Stutter. He has a really good video about creating these, I guess he calls them like the foundational docs. He uses them in this example to create AI image ads, but I basically just went through and created these docs for a random brand, just to kind of like use as an example, and then I upload all of that into a Claude project. So basically just upload a offer brief, a avatar brief, a deep research brief, and then the template for how you actually structure the text to video prompt as a JSON. And then we basically just have a very simple prompt here that the Claude project is a creative strategist. Its role is to develop high concept VEO3 style hooks that blend entertainment, storytelling, satire, and native social formats. Then we basically just tell it what docs it has available based on this video here from Mark. And then we basically just say that it has access to a doc called prompt structure JSON recommended, which is basically how it should use or how it should create any text to video prompts in JSON format. And then literally once that's done, you can just go in here and then I can just say that, hey, one of our top hooks at the moment is why your liver health has nothing to do with what you eat. And then you just get a list here of some recommended hook ideas. Now, are all of these amazing right off the bat? No. I mean, I would definitely add in a lot more context and yeah, basically docs on like previous winning angles you have, previous winning hooks, just to give Claude more to work with. But you basically get a list here of some hook ideas that can work well with VEO3. And then let's just say in this example I liked number 5, so then I basically just tell it, cool, let's just use that one, and then it generates the JSON prompt right here. And then you can literally just copy and paste this into whatever tool you have. I'm just using FAL for this one with VEO3. You just copy and paste it in, run it, and then you get the video output right here, which honestly turned out really good. I mean, this isn't like obviously the, I guess, like craziest example of like a VEO3 hook, but that's just down to the idea that Claude gave me first time around, right? So I could have asked Claude to be a lot more crazy, a lot more attention grabbing with the ideas. And I mean, in fact, we can just do it. These prompts are okay, but a little basic. Let's turn it up a notch and make these more viral and attention grabbing. Since it's AI VEO3, we don't need to Alright, let's just see what it spits out based on this. And I mean, this is just part of the process, right? You just have to kind of like go back and forth with it a little bit and just see what pops up. So we got the Energy Vampire Office. I'd be curious to see this one, so I might try that. Okay, let's just do, yeah. Again, I like number 3. Let's do the JSON for that one. You can see it's like literally working here in real time to adjust the prompt based on the template that I gave it. All right, we got it. Cool. And again, we'll just copy and paste this, and then we'll just put this into FAL. I'll hit run, and then I'll be back once the video is generated. We are back, and we got the video right here. So, I mean, it's pretty funny. I mean, it's definitely not amazing, but it's pretty decent. So, yeah, what I think you can do here is that you can, as well as obviously improve just like the context that you give Claude in terms of like what previous winning hooks and angles look like, is maybe even just expanding this JSON prompt a little bit more. So you can just add in a little bit more, again, context and data. But the key here is to feed it in JSON, because that's when you get a lot better output. So yeah, to pretty much wrap it up, what I think a good strategy for using Claude projects like this is uploading a template for turning or for having a text to video prompt as JSON, and maybe a little bit more fleshed out than the one I have. Upload all of your brand docs, your offer, and any other winning ad elements that you can feed into Claude, and then basically just playing around with the prompting. So yeah, again, I think a lot of people are sleeping on Claude projects in general. I think they're super helpful and a lot easier to set up than a end-to-end automation, for example. So yeah, definitely give this a test, guys, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. Peace.